That's crazy.
Can you imagine the first video? What kind of video?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, wow.
Okay, nice. Ooh, metal in the shoe hole.
But why?
Okay, because we want
To
our
go
feet
through
to be
the
super uncomfortable.
styrofoam.
Oh yeah, that's
sorry for interrupting.
how dare you? Okay, so now we have really nice tape.
Taping.
Okay. Oh, glue sticks.
Oh, glue sticks? It does look like a stick.
Does glue stick to tape? My brain!
What is this?
It's a shower. It's like a morning shower thought. that you just have.
Wow, looks interesting.
Nice.
Oh,
Are aliens scared of us?
Huh?
Are aliens scared of us? Do they think in their room that they're going to be abducted by an us?
I think so.
Dang, that's crazy.
Can you imagine the first video? What kind of video you would show to the alien?
5-minute crafts. Immediately, I would show them a foot video.
And they will get out of there.
They would fly right back home. They won't mess with us ever again. They're like, this is dumb. I don't know why
Because we can do everything out of everything.
Yes, exactly. That's why they're afraid.
It's their mission to teach us, to educate us,
Yeah,
be creative, and be able to make everything out of everything.
exactly. Aliens are actually the original 5-minute crafters. They came to Earth thousands of years ago with 5-minute crafts videos, and they gave it to the ancestors of the 5-minute craft tribe. There, they were taught the ancient ways of the aliens, how to make dumb craft videos, and get millions of views.
Wow, I think it's already too much.
I think we should make a TV show. I think it'd be bad.
What?
I think it would do well.
Where is this from? I mean, why?
We're painting the shoe. I think they could paint it a little bit better. Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Little bit better. Please.
Yeah, please. Redo it. Redo it.
For us, no, please. Give us more. Okay, so we have nice...
Isn't it? Is it nice?
what
do you want to say?
I was trying to be nice by saying this is ugly as heck, but
it's beautiful from 5 meters.
from 5 meters away. 5-minute craft, 5 meters away.
Yeah.
5-meter crafts that only look good from 5 meters. Okay, whoa, where are you gonna put that battery though? You're gonna stick it in
But
and you're gonna ruin your your foot.
But the thing which is I'm worried about, they didn't isolate the cables, the connection between.
True, yeah. So it could just set your foot on fire.
Yeah, and you can get a shock.
Don't set your foot on fire,
Not
guys.
a big one, but anyway.
We don't usually give any advice, but don't set your foot on fire. I think it's pretty solid advice.
Yes.
Just saying. Okay, so now we have a nice mold of some feet shoes. Some feet shoes.
Feet shoes.
Yeah. You guys know feet shoes, right? I'm sure you probably own some feet shoes.
Oh, look at these feet shoes.
Yeah, they're pretty nice feet shoes.
Yeah.
There's no space for feet in those feet shoes yet.
Yeah.
But we're gonna see.
That's why they just the shoes.
Oh, okay. They're melting around. Are they gonna form the shoe around it?
And they will remove this
The feet shoe.
The feet shoe.
Okay.
And it will be another shoe, which is it could be a week. I don't know.
It looks really strange, but okay.
Okay.
Oh, they're breaking the feet shoe. Okay, wow,
Yeah.
insane.
Okay, so they get the shape. That's what they want.
And then they fill it with epoxy. Okay.
Okay.
More feet
Worse.
shoes, more problems.
But okay.
Okay, so they're layering the epoxy.
Is it a practical?
That is. Imagine walking in that. You're like, Cinderella. The hell is that? You like my shoes?
I hate them, but do you like it?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have 37s, 37, 37, and 37s.
What does it mean?
I think it's their shoe size.
You think so?
Or their age. Or the amount of bagels they've eaten in their life. Or the amount of 5-minute crafts spin-off shows there are. Yeah.
You done?
No. Or okay, so now it looks like we're making a type of shoe, obviously. That seems to be the prevailing trend here. This is a shoe video. If you weren't aware, it's a shoe video.
It's a video about shoe.
Yeah, do you have shoes?
Everybody have shoes,
What's your
right?
favorite pair of shoes? What's your favorite brand of shoes? What's your size of shoe?
What is your favorite brand of shoes?
Vans.
Vans.
From when I was a kid, I really loved Vans. Now I'm kind of an Under Armour guy. I really like them for comfort.
For Vans for comfort?
No, Under Armour now.
Under Armour.
Yeah.
That's
They're amazing.
They're amazing. Yeah, I have a couple of them, and
They feel like walking on clouds.
exactly.
Vans aren't comfortable, no.
Yeah,
They just
this
look
is-
cool when you're a kid.
And yeah, I tried many times to try to wear them. Yeah, but I can't afford this.
Yeah.
It's actually not my type of.
They're too flat. Yeah,
Too
no
flat,
support
and
for the
on
bridge.
the side they just
Too tight?
too tight, and which has
So you have paddle feet.
I guess.
I also have paddle feet, so I'm not judging you. Shout out to all my paddle feet people.
Okay, nice. I like how he,
Yeah, he's
pushed
pulling
this,
it all the way. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
And all these snails will be there, or he will remove it.
I think he'll leave them.
Okay,
They might not go through the wood fully, maybe. Hopefully.
but I think
He looks professional.
he looks.
I assume he knows what he's doing.
Okay, wow. Oh, what is this? Iron?
Oh.
Or what was that?
Oh, it's to glue the sole together.
When it 30 minutes. Okay.
That's a long time to glue the sole.
At all.
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of
It's
nice.
a cool shoe,
regular-
yeah. Not bad.
No. Yeah, that's fine.
They kind of vibey.
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 Yeah.
Vibin'.
Vibe.
Yeah. Okay. I like turquoise.
So, yeah,
I
we
like
got
brown.
it. We
I
got
like
it.
yellow. Paper.
Paper for eggs. Excuse me.
Gross. Okay. Gross. Feet.
Gross,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, of course.
But why eggs?
It sticks better.
Okay.
Maybe. I'm just trying to help out 5-minute crafts here and make it less weird. Because eggs and feet, weird.
Okay. But it's.
And they're
Okay,
ruining a
that's-
handbag. Okay.
To get what? Wine.
Okay.
What a waste of wine. But
You can drink it afterwards.
actually, yeah. Your leather color.
And you're
Yeah.
drunk.
No.
No.
Alcohol, it's a bad.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Boo. Boo alcohol.
blue alcohol.
Yeah.
Get out of there. Boom. It's all my comments.
Pum, para, pum, pum, pum,
Yeah.
I think some people would prefer if that were all of our comments.
Just silence.
Yeah, silence. Yeah, silence is good. But if you're
Shall
watching
we
our
leave
videos,
the frame?
yeah, let us know down below. Should we leave? Should we just let you watch this? Can we take a break? It's been a while. I've been watching reactions for a while.
Yeah. But we like it.
We do like
if
it.
you do, we like it as well.
And we like
if
you.
Most of you like it.
As a friend.
Yes.
Okay. Pull this around, get some nice. But the big toe is so low there.
Yeah.
I feel like that's not going to be good for like support later on.
I'm not sure if it's a good thing to mold it first, and after that to create the shoe.
Yeah, it's strange.
maybe because you can't step nice with your fingers, they always will be up. On my
It's
opinion.
true. It's true.
But again, why I'm trying to be a professional if I'm not?
Because it's people like judging things, and you're a people.
Thank you for this excuse.
You're welcome.
It's kind of summer shoes, I guess.
Summer shoes.
Summer shoes.
That's
no?
a winter shoes.
Is it?
Those are Inuit shoes.
For me, it looks like a summer shoes, but this I don't know. This what's inside? It looks like this sand house there.
Sand?
Play-Doh or something.
Oh yeah, a little bit. Nice. Good slippers. Not bad.